Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here today. As you can see, I will be painting on a square 10 by 10 inch canvas. And again, I'm going for something really simple today, very clean. I have some white, some black. My black is metallic black. I also have some neon pink here, some phthalo green, which I think is really beautiful. And my third color will be some color shift here. So again, something very simple. I'll be blowing with my straw on a white background with a lot of negative space. So here goes. So I'm really loving how the final piece turned out. I really love how the black and white make the colors pop, and I find the color shift is really stunning. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!